The future of manufacturing depends on more than the machines on the factory floor. It depends on the infrastructure behind them, the networks, connectivity, and computing power that make intelligent operations possible.
Every data center has water requirements, a requirement for electricity. All of these things need to be managed. So when you talk about scaling, you're actually also talking about making sure that these things are networked and automated.
A lot of the innovation is focused on the environment that these systems are going into, what is available from the power grid, and the systems are designed to fit into those environments.
The bridge between IT and OT just has to happen. It's really just figuring out how we can push the envelope.
Welcome to Factory Tomorrow, a series exploring the technologies shaping the future of industry. Presented by DigiKey, powered by Phoenix Contact, Belden, and SupplyFrame. As artificial intelligence drives new demands for computing and data, next-generation data centers are becoming the backbone of connected manufacturing. Phoenix Contact helps provide the connectivity and infrastructure that support these AI-ready environments.
From discrete manufacturing to process to energy to oil and gas to food and bev to automotive, everybody is trying to collect more data, add context to add information, and you can actually apply it to understand more what's going on and improve operations.
Whether it's your water, your electricity, your natural gas link, or any kind of processing plant, that communication now can be done with single-pair Ethernet in the regular environment, and then when you're dealing with hazardous locations, you deploy APL. If you can now tie your automation control to a network using Ethernet, you're then going to be looking at the ability to get that data from anywhere. We now get to use Ethernet in the one space where it's never been used, right to the very sensor or to the very edge.
There's definitely more and more edge computing enabling these data centers to go online with minimal impact to the environment around it, but also being scalable and easy to implement so that anybody could come and put these systems together. Because our products have redundancy and high levels of availability built in, their systems can shed load as needed so that the electrical grid isn't being over-demanded, and they can utilize natural resources in a more efficient way.
Sustainability shouldn't just be something that comes out in a quarterly report of going, yep, we met that goal or not. It needs to be part of the DNA from an overall organizational perspective.
So here at Phoenix Contact, we actually rely on utility grid. We also have a natural gas turbine, of which we've got 5, and then we also rely on solar power in our logistics building. That combination of 3 energy sources is what gets fed into our plant here.
My grandfather worked on computers that were sizes of rooms, and now we've got supercomputers in our pockets. And I imagine with data centers it's going to be very similar, but in the future we may be able to compact that and modularize it, make it something that everybody has in their neighborhood that is kind of a shared resource across the globe.
From the data center to the factory floor, every connection plays a role. As these technologies evolve, access becomes critical. DigiKey helps connect engineers with the components and technologies that turn ambitious ideas into real-world solutions.
Your gut reaction when you hear Factory Tomorrow is more around what's on the factory floor, right? So what's happening on the belt? How are we using data to understand predictive maintenance in all new ways? Customers need to have confidence that they can get the product they order as quickly as possible. And they need tools so that our systems can interact digitally.
Everybody wants to automate the factory. The big resellers, they're not focusing on the small customers anymore. I think there's a lot of small customers who are left behind who are now love to work with DigiKey because that's our DNA. We sell onesies and twosies. We help B2B, B2G, B2C, so we're very happy to take this customer on the DigiKey.
Anybody who does anything with electronics has used DigiKey at some point or another. Having a distributor that not only stocks everything and understands what they have available is really critical when you're starting to design these types of systems.
OEMs, end users, multi-site enterprise, it's really the holy grail. And sure, we have a direct sales team. We go out there, we work on customer applications, we solve customer problems, but we cannot reach the total number of customers that a partner like DigiKey can.
Artificial intelligence is changing how industry operates. But behind every intelligent factory is an infrastructure built to connect, communicate, and scale. This is Factory Tomorrow.